Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I have a review on this foundation right here. This is the Believe Beauty Skin Finish foundation. I've seen this foundation go around YouTubers testing out like Dollar General makeup, and supposedly this is like the #1 foundation. It's also only $5, so I am excited to share my thoughts with you guys on this foundation. But before we get started into today's video, if you're not yet a part of our T-Squad family, please subscribe down below and hit that notification bell so YouTube will alert you when I do upload a video, which is 3 times a week, every single week. Also, don't forget to follow me on social media, Snapchat, Instagram, and Facebook. The links are in the description box below. Let me know in the comment section if you've tried this foundation. What are your thoughts? I'm very curious. If you guys want to know my thoughts on this foundation, do you want to know if it's full coverage, medium coverage, what's the finish like? You want to know my first impressions? Then let's go ahead and get okay guys, so I just went through the most crazy experience ever that I've never had here on my channel on the brand new JUVIAS Place Foundation Stick. This video went live yesterday in case you're interested in seeing my reaction to that. Anyways guys, today we're going to be reviewing this foundation right here. This is the foundation. It is the Believe Beauty Skin Finish Foundation. This is a medium to full coverage. I'm excited. Hopefully this works out. I'm gonna go ahead and read some of the claims of this foundation. This foundation does retail for $5. So this is a medium to full coverage foundation that blends effortlessly for a flawless look. It also blurs imperfections while smoothing your skin. And that is basically all that it says. It has a very short description, but I am actually very curious to see how this works out on my skin. So I'm gonna go ahead and open it. It has a tag here, hold on. Security tags, or what is this? Protective tag. Okay. I'm gonna go ahead and give this a shake. It does come with a pump and the bottle is actually glass. So for this to be $5, I am shook. It almost reminds me of the Urban Decay, the new Urban Decay foundation. It looks very high-end, you guys, like super high-end. I'm gonna take this on my sponge, but I'm gonna go ahead and apply some to the back of my hand just to see the consistency. Oh, you know what? I haven't primed. I'm not gonna forget that again. For primer, I'm gonna take my ColourPop primer. I'm just gonna take this much. This is a primer from the Pretty Fresh collection. This is the hyaluronic acid hydrating primer. I do have a review on the entire Pretty Fresh line in case you're interested in that. It's already up on my channel, but I've been really loving this primer. So my skin is nice and primed. Now we're gonna move on to the foundation. I got mine in the shade Soft Beige because there isn't a lot of shades. I'm gonna pump 2 pumps. It is a runny foundation. You guys see that? It is runny. Go ahead and dot this all over my skin. I'm gonna go ahead and take my e.l.f. beauty sponge and let's go ahead and blend this out. The coverage is insane, like insane. You know what? My ISO I feel like is a little too bright, so I'm actually gonna go ahead and bring it down. Just like that. Hopefully you guys can still see. It is very, very late at night. So hopefully you guys can still see, but I'm pretty sure with the ISO low, you guys can see more like true to color, you know? First of all, off first impressions, the coverage is amazing. Smell like anything? Let me see. Yeah, it doesn't really smell like anything. I already had my necklines really dark, but I feel like they're getting intense with the pregnancy, so I'm just dragging it down my neck. It doesn't feel heavy on the skin. It also feels very lightweight and almost like a skin finish. It is more of a radiant foundation though, so I am going to be setting this with the powder. The shade fits me perfectly fine, so if you're around my skin tone, Soft Beige I think is a perfect match. This is what we're looking like. I'm gonna go ahead and finish the rest of my face makeup. Set this with the powder definitely. I'm gonna go ahead and conceal. Come back, give you guys my final thoughts on this foundation. I'll let you guys know what I think of it once I apply concealer and powder and you know, all that jazz. So I'll catch you guys in a second. Okay guys, so I am back. I went ahead and finished the rest of my face makeup. Now back to the foundation. I did went ahead and set it with the Maybelline Fit Me powder as well as the Collab powder. So the Collab I set to my entire face, and then the Fit Me one I do use it to brighten and to cut my cheekbones as well. So looking at my skin, everything looks very beautiful. I love how my skin looks. It's definitely a medium to full coverage like it says. It feels very lightweight on the skin as well. It doesn't feel masky like the Kat Von D Lock-It foundation. or anything like that. It's not a thick formula, that's what I'm trying to say. I also love the finish. It does give you more of like a radiant kind of satin finish. It's not fully dewy, and it's not a matte formula either. It's definitely a foundation that I feel like is perfect for any skin type, no matter if you're normal, dry, oily combination, it doesn't matter. I absolutely love this foundation. I don't see why someone wouldn't like it. So if you have not tried this, you guys, I really recommend you should try it, give it a go. Keep in mind that it is also only $5. Like, come on, you guys, $5. Let me know if you tried this in the comment section down below. If you haven't, let me know if you're going to pick it up. Hey guys, that was my review on the whole Skin Finish Foundation medium to full coverage by Believe Beauty. Don't forget to follow me on social media, Snapchat, Instagram, and Facebook. The links are in the description box below. Like this video if you like my reviews on products. With that being said, guys, I really hope you guys have an amazing weekend. I am going to be in LA this weekend. When you guys are watching this, I am going to be in LA, so I am excited. I'm gonna go watch a soccer game. Please subscribe in the link below if you haven't already. Hit that notification bell so YouTube alert you when I do upload a video, which is 3 times a week, every single week, Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. And with that being said, I will catch you guys in Monday's video. Bye guys.